Hey there guys, in this short tutorial I'll show you how to place images inside letters in Piktochart. I personally think it's a really cool and striking design technique that opens up a whole raft of creative possibilities. And the best part is it's super easy to pull off. So how about we get right to it? Right, so here we are in the editor, and as you can see, we have this striking visual effect where our image is nested inside the letter D. To create this effect in Piktochart, we'll need to use something called photo frames. So let's first delete this one example, and then we're going to head up to the graphics panel here in the top left and pop open, well, photo frames. Now, inside this panel, we get a bunch of different options, but if we scroll down just a little, ta-da, letters. So now let's just click the letter D in order to add it to the canvas. And how about we scale it up a bit, and then let's reposition it also to our liking. And finally, let's select our title here and go up to the arrange panel in the toolbar above and send it to the front so that we can actually see it. And now the juicy stuff, placing an image inside our letter. To achieve this, all we got to do is close the photo frames drop down, and instead we'll pop open photos. And from here, we can drag and drop any image we'd like over our letter. And once we do, you can see how it sort of snaps as we hover over the letter itself. So at this point, let's just release our mouse. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Now, if at this point we wanted to further, let's say, adjust the image, we can simply double click the letter. And this takes us into this additional editor where we can scale up the image, we can move it around and reposition it. We can essentially get it to look exactly the way we like. And that, guys, is literally all there is to adding images to letters in Piktochart. I hope you found this tutorial useful. And as always, thank you for watching and happy Piktochart-ing.